Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. If you haven't subscribed, please do so below and turn on your notifications to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm excited about today's video because I'm going on a trip in 2 days and you guys get to see how I pack. I do not like to overpack just because it's a hassle having a lot of things while you're on vacation. I like to have enough options, obviously, to look cute and take cute selfies, but I do not like to overpack. So you guys will be seeing what I will be taking for my 5 days that I'll be spending in Cali. So I always keep packing cubes in my luggage, but I'm not using it for this trip. I need my pillow, of course, some sneakers, my Chucks. Got the white ones because they match with everything. A mask to cover my eyes on the flight. Some little sandalias. And some flip-flops. I always pack my shoes first. This little bag holds all my wires and chargers and selfie sticks, all of that. Keep it in one place. A sports bra. Some shorts. Another pair of shorts, light and dark. I'm taking a bunch of just crop top t-shirts so I can be comfortable in. We plan on going hiking and doing a lot of walking, so I definitely want to be comfortable. And these are just regular cotton t-shirts that I feel comfortable wearing with any outfit. Of course, you can't unwrap your hair while on vacation, so of course I'm packing my silk head wrap. And these are just some bottom bathing suit pieces. A one piece that I got, I believe at Marshall's, and it was $30, but it was really cute, so I'm excited to wear that. I also got these half socks that I do wear with my Chucks, and now I'm packing my PJs. I only pack one set. I am going to be there 4 nights. But we do have an Airbnb where I can do some laundry. Like I said, I do not like to overpack. These are just some workout pants because we do want to go on a hike or maybe a walk on the beach. This is just a black dress that I can wear at night or I can wear with flip-flops during the day, and it's just very versatile. Right now I'm just rearranging everything to make sure it fits properly. This is just a cover up that I wear over my bathing suits, and I can wear with shorts to the beach. This is a little shirt if I want to go out at night. I can wear it with some jeans. Again, we're not planning on going out too much, but whatever we wear during the day, change of shoes, and we can go out at night. This is another cover up for my bathing suit, and this one actually matches the light blue one piece I showed you earlier. This is another long dress. This one's gray, but I love these dresses because, like I said, I can wear them with sneakers and walk all day, or I can wear them with flip-flops, go to the beach. They're just so comfortable. And this is just a cute little dress just in case we go anywhere a little nicer. So now I'm just packing some underwear. This is so important for every single trip. This is my little tiny purse, but I can wear it around my neck and just feel secure. I take this everywhere I go. And this is just a white shirt, dressier shirt, and I can wear this with one of my chancleticas and go out at night and look just as nice. I don't want to take heels because, like I said, this is a more comfortable trip, so I'm not going to stress that. Talking about comfort, these are my favorite slip-ons, which I'm definitely taking along with my sneakers for the hike we're quote-unquote going on. And finally, ladies, I want to talk to you about this little bag. I keep all of my toiletries in here year-round so it can be easy and quick to grab. I keep a white clear bag inside just so that when I go through TSA, it's easy to pull out. And that's it, ladies. This is how I pack.